Hello. Now we are going to implement exception. Okay, using Java. Okay. So first I will create this program using command prompt. So I have already configured JVM, and now I am going to create a new file. Okay. So I will write notepad any name, say for example a dot java. So I have created a dot java. So look, one notepad is created. So this is my play folder, or where I have created the java file. Initially it is empty. Okay, now I will write the code. Okay, write the code for it. Okay, what I will do, I will create first a class. So I am making it bold. Okay, so class A is a class. Okay, within this class there is a method which is main method. So I will create the main method like public static void main, then string arg, any variable for argument. Now these are two. Now I will create another class whose name is class B. Okay, so in this class I will declare a method that is as public void, for example test. Here I will declare two variable, one is int a or x, int y. X and y, two variables are there. Now within this I will declare I have one variable int z. Okay, now z is what? Z is having x, y. Now initially I will try to print the value of z dot out dot print ln. I'm using ln for new line. So here I will print the value of z, and then I will try to display some message. Okay, so say for example I am just writing dot print ln. Say for example hello. Hello. Now look here. Within this class A, I will. This is our main. If I have entered inside main, I want to print two methods. Okay, this is one system dot out dot println. I am in main first. I have written something. I need to display. Okay, then I am going to create the reference variable of class B. That is B. Say for example m equal new b. By this way what will happen, some instance will be created for the class b. Now I will call this one with m dot, what I will call m dot this method, that is test, with two different values. One value is 4, another value is 2. So simple. And then I will print this particular thing again. I will try to print the value system.out.println. I'm in second. I'm in main second. Okay, so this is the case. Now I will save this file. I have saved the file and try to execute. Okay, let me check if there are any typo errors are there, then it will be rectified. Okay, so save. I have saved this file. Now look, just look the change. Okay, look the change. I will make it small. Look here, this is a.java. Okay, this is the our folder where a.java is there. A.java is there. Okay, only one file is there. Okay, only one file is there. Now if I just compile this file, java c a dot java, then I will check whether there is some error or not. Look here, when java is compiled, look, two different byte codes. One is a dot class and b dot class is created for these two classes. Okay. Now what I will do, I will run this file. I will run this file. Okay. So this is our file. This is our program. I will run it. Okay. So I am going to run it. Just have a look. I'll run Java A where the main method is there. Okay. I will use that particular class name. Okay. So Java A. Okay. So what is the display? I am in main first, then two, then means this is executed first. This is executed first. So let me come with this one. So this I am in main first, so it is entered here, then it is executed, then reference variable or object will be created, and then test will call, it will call this test method, it will calculate this one. Z means 2 is printed. Look, this is to this 2 is printed, then hello is printed, this hello is printed, then it will come back here and execute this one. I am in main second. So look here, I am in main second. This is the flow of execution. But if I provide the value of 2 as 0, so that means the value of x is now 4, value of y is now 0, then what will happen? Let's have a look. First save the file, always save the file, otherwise it will not reflect. So I will again compile java c a dot java, again two files will be created and that will be overwritten. Sorry. Then java a, if I do this, look here, what is happening? Look, so it is entered inside the static is method is called, main method is called, I am in main first. Look, I am in main first, I am in main first. Now what this is created when this is called, that means x is 4, y is 0, then system dot out dot println z. Now here z equal x by y. That means at this point, the value is infinity or infinite, undefined. The value of z is infinite. So from this point, it is just throwing. It is just throwing one exception. It is just throwing, it throws the exception of the class of what class? Look here, it is saying exception in thread main, so main is a thread, so arithmetic exception, it is throwing this. Okay, so what we will do, so other things are now not executing, this thing is not executing, this thing also not executing. Say for example, these are the different tasks that we need to perform. Okay, so at this point we are trying to write the exception handling code. So what we will do, we will write the risky codes. Risky code is, which one is the risky code? So these two codes are risky. So we will create a block. The block name is try, try is the block. Within this block I will make these two variables here. Okay, so within try block these two values will there. So and then catch, I will take in create the reference variable of that particular class name, that is arithmetic exception. So arithmetic exception on a variable, say for example a is the variable, just like this one. So within this we will create something like this. We will print some message, hello, we will print some message. So here I will print some message. For example, I am printing some message, error, error. I am just printing this message. Okay, that's all. I think it is visible to you. Okay, just have a look very carefully. Pause the video. Look carefully. So what is happening if I, in this case, if I again run this code, if in this case, if I run this code again, so I am making cls, clear the screen. Now what? If I enter, look here, 2 again, I will save the file and run this code. Look, java c a dot java. Every time we need to compile whenever we change the code. Okay, then java a. Look here, what is the output? So look here. So the output is, there is no problem actually. So I am in main first, so this is printed. Then this is called m dot m dot test is called. So by 2 and 4 value, so this is called, so this is at this point it is called. Okay, so if we try to explain this one like this way, so if we explain this one, this case, we are trying to explain this one using pen. I think it is visible to you. Okay, so look here, look here. So what is happening here? Look, when this is called, so main is called, main is called. So when main is called, this is, this main is called. Okay, so this is called, this particular output is here, this is called. Okay, so then this is done, this is called. When this is called, that means this particular function is called, this is done. And try x divided by y, that is 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So j is giving 2 output, so this output is here, this output is here. And then it is coming back, that means it is next, no exception is there, so it will not go to catch block, so directly this will happen. So hello is printed, and then it will come back, this because the task of test function is done. So system.out.println, I am in main, this is done. So I am in main, this is displayed. But look, that scenario, if I provide 0 as a value here and save the file, and then if I execute the same code again, if I run the same code again, so look here, I am compiling the file again and going to execute it, java a. Now the look, the output, look the output. So again I am going to explain in, going to explain in the code here. Look, in this case, in this case, so I am in main first, so this is called. Then it will go create the reference, then test is called with 0 value, y as 0 value. So this value is infinite, this value is infinite, so it undefined. From here it will throw the exception. So as I have created the catch module, which will take care about the exception. So the error message is displayed, error message is displayed, and whatever the next task, whatever the tasks are there after this what next task that are executing properly. So hello, and then it will come back, and the I am in second, main second too. Okay, so the purpose of exception handling is to take care about the risky codes. If some, in some situation, in some cases the problem occurs, so there will be some mechanism, some code which will take care of that, and without affecting the other module. So other module will, so error message will be reported, whatever message we want to display, the message will be displayed, and the next task will be performed as usual without any effect of that thing. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day.